Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video I'm going to show you how to get this half up, half down braidless crochet style. So if you're interested in how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. Also, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss any more videos. So what I'm doing here is I am sectioning my hair. I wanted to do 3 sections and put them, well, kind of give it the illusion that they were stitch braids, but I'm doing it in rubber bands. So what I'm doing is separating. I'm going to do 3 different sections, and I am just struggling here, of course, with my parting, but do not mind my edges. They were kind of thinning out a little bit from me, you know, putting my hair up in ponytails a lot. So that's what's going on with my edges right there. So don't come for me about my edges, please. So here I'm adding edge booster to tame any flyaways, and I oiled the rubber bands to prevent any breakage while my hair was up in the rubber bands. So basically I'm going to continue the same step by parting and adding rubber band and connecting the pieces together. Hopefully I explained that correctly, but just go ahead and watch what I'm doing. I'm just going to go all the way up to the top. I actually changed my mind and I removed, I don't know if you can tell, I kind of removed the way I was connecting it. So I was just adding the rubber bands because I decided to braid it up, you know, as I said in the beginning, to make it look like they were stitch braid pattern. So that's where I'm going from here. So I did remove, I didn't actually show you guys when I removed the rubber band at the bottom, but that's exactly what I did. I decided not to connect them the way I was anymore. Okay, so please excuse my lip biting over here. when I'm focusing or when I'm struggling, I don't know why. I don't even notice when I'm doing it, but I love biting down. And I look serious right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so after all of that, I decided I wanted to take that hair out. I was not feeling it. I did not like the tension. So it had to go. So now what I'm doing here is just sleeking down my edges and my hair, of course, up front by tying the wraps on. And I'm going to add my scarf as well. And I was going to take a little break and eat while that went ahead and stayed down. And now I'm back. I'm going to remove it. You will see how sleek it looks. And then I'm going to start the back by crocheting in the hair. Okay, so here comes the crochet. What you do first is stick the crochet needle through. Then you want to make sure you create the loop, and then you're going to add it to the latch, and then, or the hook, not the latch, sorry. Then you close the latch and you pull the needle through, and then you create your knots. Now, I wanted my hair to last at least up to 2 weeks. So I did a double knot. I was going to do triple, but I was like, I really just wanted the hair to last about 2 weeks. So I did a double knot. For actually towards the end, while I was doing it, I started doing just one knot. I was getting tired, really wanted to get over with it. And I figured, you know what, let me just tie it pretty tight. And I just felt like that worked out for me. So my hair did last 2 weeks pretty well. So one knot is fine. If you want to do two, that's up to you.
Purchase your tracks today.
As you can see, I'm repeating the same exact process. As I said in the beginning, you add the loop on the hook, and then you close the latch and you pull it through, and then you tie your knot. Now, you see the bun, my bun, it's a little thick. So what you want to do is, of course, put the knots close together all around the back of your head to make sure you cover that bun. You don't want the hair or to poke through. So plus the hair is pretty thick, so as you get to the top, of course, you want to make sure you definitely, you know, put the crochets closer together. It does cover up the bun, but you still want to make sure that you cover it close together and all around the knot, and even through the bun as well, just to cover and make sure it is not visible.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so we are halfway through, and I know the back doesn't look the best right now. Don't worry about the knots. Just keep moving forward, keep going towards the top. All of it will be covered by the hair.
Purchase your tracks today.
I know you can't really see what I'm doing, but I am definitely adding the crochet closer and closer together to make sure that one, you can have the complete fullness, and two, I don't want those knots to be visible. Okay, so the next clip that is coming up, what I did was get some braiding hair and I braided it down, and then I'm going to add a bobby pin to the tip of it so I can go ahead and hook that into my ponytail, or my bun, I should say, underneath, and then I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail. So there you go. Basically, you can see that I'm definitely wrapping it around so I can have the hair stick up higher, and also so I can hide the bun. Also, you want to make sure you stick a few bobby pins in there to hold the braid in place so it doesn't start to slip out and you'll look like a fool with the hair just flying all over the place.
Purchase your tracks today.
So we are pretty much done. You want to make sure you fluff out the hair, kind of pull the hairs apart so it can become more full. And if you would like, you can add a little more hair. That was actually the last of the hair that I had. Actually, I did go back and buy another pack and added more to make it more full. Not sure if I have any pictures of that, but I actually liked it the way it was. That's fine. I just felt like being extra and added more hair. But basically, yeah, that's it. This is the end of the style, mostly the end of the video. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this style. Let me know down in the comment section below how you like it. And pretty much, yeah, that's it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Love you guys so much. Deuces.